Hello everyone and welcome to this session. In this section we will study about the RISC architecture and CISC architecture. So let us start the RISC architecture. RISC architecture means a reduced instruction set computer processor architecture. Okay, R for reduced, I for instruction and S for set computer processor. RISC stands for Reduced Instruction Set Computer Processor. This is an architecture, a microprocessor architecture with a simple collection and highly customized set of instruction. So here we reduce the instruction set from the processor. In this architecture, we reduce the number of instruction. Means a RISC processor have the limited number of instruction set. So it is built according to minimize the instruction execution time by optimizing and limiting the number of instruction. Okay, so why one thing we have to remind every time in the RISC architecture of processor have reduced the number of set of instruction to reduce the uh, to minimize the execution time of instruction. So that is a very simple structure. So it is very simple and RISC architecture use one cycle, each instruction in a one cycle. RISC architecture use each instruction in a one cycle and it require only one cycle, and one cycle require the three parameters are it can be used. One cycle is used for fetch the instruction, then decode the instruction and execute the instruction. So that is the simple structure we have to see here. Okay, so RISC stands for Reduced Instruction Set Computer Processor, a microprocessor architecture with a simple collection and highly customized set of instruction. It is built to minimize the instruction execution time by optimizing and limiting the number of instruction. It is built to minimize the instruction execution. So you can see here a microprocessor architecture with simple collection and highly set of instruction. It is built to minimize the instruction execution time by optimizing the limited number of instruction. So each instruction cycle require one clock cycle. This is the very important point. So each cycle required each instruction cycle require one clock cycle. Each instruction cycle require one clock cycle, and each cycle contain the three parameters, that is fetch, decode, and execute. Fetch, decode, and execute. So the RISC processor is also used to perform the various complex instructions by combining them into the simpler ones. RISC chips require several transistors. This is also the important point. RISC chips require the several transistors to make it cheaper to design and reduce the execution time of instruction. So that is another important point about the RISC processor. RISC chips require the several transistors. RISC chips require the several transistor and it makes it the cheaper to design. That's why this architecture is a very cheaper architecture, and it reduces the execution time for instruction. Okay, for example, RISC processor are Sun Spark, Sun Spark, and Power PC and microchip PC processor and RISC 5. These are the RISC processor, Sun Spark and PowerPC and Microchip PC processor RISC-V. Okay, so now we have to understand about the advantage of a RISC processor. Before that, we have to understand this in this on these are the SunSpark. These are the RISC processor, SunSpark, PowerPC, and Microchip PC processor, and RISC-V are the RISC processor. RISC processor. Now we have to study about the RISC processor. Advantage of RISC processor. So here, uh, the first advantage is the performance is better. RISC processor performance is better due to the simple and limited number of instruction set. Means RISC processor architecture is better than the CISC processor architecture because it uses the simple design and limited number of instruction set and then limited number of instruction set the number of limited number of instruction set. So that's why this is matlab RISC processor performance is better than the CISC processor because its design is very simple and it reduces the number of instruction set. That's why its performance is better than the CISC processor. Second advantage, it requires the several transistor. It requires the several transistor, and that makes that processor cheaper to design. Okay. Second, it requires the it requires the several transistors that makes it cheaper to design, and that is the second advantage of a RISC processor. RISC allow the instruction set to use the free space on the microprocessor because its simplicity. Another advantage is the RISC processor is simpler than the CISC processor because it is simple and quick design and it can complete its work in one clock cycle. Means it can complete its work in one clock cycle. Means one clock cycle is used to freeze, decode, and execute. So it is very simple structure and quick design structure, and it can complete its work in one clock cycle. And in one clock cycle, it will perform the fetching, decoding, and executing. So that is about the RISC architecture. Uh, Again, I repeat, RISC architecture. RISC means reduced instruction set computer, and here we minimize the instruction set, or we can use the limited number of instruction set in this type of architecture. So, and we use the number of we increase the number of transistors requires the several transistors to design this type of processor, and that make that processor is a cheaper design processor, and so its design is simple, and therefore it gives the better performance than the CISC computers. So what are the application of CISC architecture processor? They are used in the Apple iPod or iPod mobile and smartphone etc. We can use this structure in the iPod as well as mobile phones and smartphone. So this is the use of RISC architecture we have to use, and this provides a very simple structure and design. So the performance of this processor is better than the CISC processor due to its simple design and number of instructions. Again, the RISC processor have have complete its work in one clock cycle. Again, RISC architecture complete its total work in one clock cycle. Means it requires each instruction cycle requires three parameters. Means it can perform the fetching, it can perform the decoding and executing in one clock cycle. So that is why the processor is simple and quick design. So again, we have to study the structure of So here we have to study the disadvantage of RISC processor. The RISC processor performance may be vary according to code executed. The RISC processor performance may be vary according to code executed because subsequent instruction may depends on the previous instruction. Subsequent instruction may be depend on the instruction for their execution in the cycle. So that is the first disadvantage of the RISC processor. The RISC processor performance may vary according to the code executed because subsequent instruction may depends on the previous instruction for their execution of cycle. So here this is the first disadvantage of RISC performance. RISC processor performance. Processor performance is a vary or totally depend or changeable. Performance is not fixed. It is a changeable because the code execute subsequent instruction may be depends upon on the previous instruction. मीन्स इसका मतलब ये है कि कोई भी इंस्ट्रक्शन ये उसके प्रीवियस इंस्ट्रक्शन सेट के ऊपर डिपेंड करती है फॉर उनकी साइकिल के एग्जीक्यूशन के लिए, मतलब एक इंस्ट्रक्शन दूसरे साइकिल के ऊपर डिपेंड होती है। उसी की वजह से रेस्ट प्रोसेसर का परफॉर्मेंस ये कभी कभी चेंज होता है या वेरिएबल रहता है, चेंजेबल होता है। सेकंड डिसएडवांटेज, प्रोग्रामर एंड कंपाइलर ऑफन यूज द कॉम्प्लेक्स इंस्ट्रक्शन। Second disadvantage is that the programmer and the compiler often use the complex instruction. तो यहाँ पे नहीं हमेशा प्रोग्रामर और कंपाइलर हमेशा थोड़े कॉम्प्लेक्स टाइप ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन यूज करते हैं, तो दैट इज आल्सो एन disadvantage. Then third, RISC processor require very fast memory to save the various instruction that require a large collection of cache memory to respond the instruction in a short time. So third disadvantage is that RISC processor require very fast memory. It requires very fast memory to save the various instruction that require a large collection of cache memory to respond to the instruction of short time. So that is the disadvantage. Again, we have to see the architecture of. So this is the architecture of RISC processor. It is a highly customized set of instruction set used to portable device due to the system reliability such as Apple, iPod, mobile phone and smartphone, Nintendo DS. So this is an architecture. You can see here RISC architecture. The first unit is a hardware control unit. Second is a data path, instruction set, then data path, data cache and main memory. So hardware control unit, then instruction cache, then main memory and data cache. Two type of cache, instruction cache and data cache. Here is a data path. This is an architecture. Features of a RISC processor. Some important feature of a RISC processor are one cycle execution time. That is very important. One one cycle execution time. One cycle execution time. This is the first feature of the in a one cycle. For executing each instruction in a computer, the RISC processor require one clock per cycle. Clock per cycle. It require only one clock per cycle, and each clock per cycle includes the fetching, decoding, and executing method applied in the computer instruction. This is the first feature of the RISC processor. Second feature, it uses the pipeline techniques. Pipeline techniques use the RISC processor to execute multiple part or stages of instruction to perform more efficiently. Means pipeline, it uses the pipeline structure or technique to use in the RISC processor to execute the multiple parts or stages of the instruction to perform more efficiently. Means RISC architecture perform more efficiently because it execute the multiple parts or stage of instruction in a pipeline technique. So third feature is a large number of register. We use here a large number of register. RISC processor are optimized with multiple register and that it can be used to store the instruction and respond to the computer and minimize the interaction with computer memory. So the RISC processor use the multiple register and that is used to store the instruction and they are quickly respond to the computer and machine interaction with the computer memory. Fourth feature is it supports the simple addressing mode. It supports the simple addressing mode and the fixed length of instruction for executing the pipeline. This is also first fourth feature of the RISC processor. RISC processor support a simple addressing mode, and the fixed length of instruction. Fifth, it used two instruction maximum. It used two instruction that is a load and store instruction. Load and store instruction to access the memory location to access the memory location. 6. Simple and limited instruction reduce the execution time of a process in a RISC. Okay, so that's it about the RISC architecture. In the next lecture, we will study about the CISC architecture.